March 8th, 2020 was just like any other day. A normal day at office with back-to-back meetings and discussions. But as the sun set that day, our fates had been changed. Yes, we were asked to work from home for the next couple of weeks. Those who have been living in office suddenly felt like they were becoming homeless. Others like me, who found solace in my trips to office, were left heartbroken. This video is dedicated to our beloved developers who rose up to the situation so bravely and for making the face of our product so beautiful. Satish, dearly called Satish Anna, leads our team of developers. He is a challenger, hustler, and an empathetic person. Indeed, he is one of our proudest possessions. Let us hear what he has got to say about the whole COVID-19 situation.
This COVID-19 has challenged our team to break up and made us to work from different locations. So even though we are separated physically, so with Zoho's cloud-based technology, we are not separated much more. We are been putting more efforts and working day and night and working for more product features and enhancements than ever before.
Developers are now happier that they have been reunited with their families. And with happy employees, we achieve a lot more than ever before. Our charts have just proved this fact. Our new customers are growing day by day, and nothing could make us happier. As the man in front of the team, leading an army of developers, Satish has a few words to say about each of his team members.
I would like to take this opportunity to specifically appreciate people who have been putting more efforts. Arvind and Vignesh, who are working day and night and helping support to solve crucial issues, and they are working efficiently. So Meena and Punita are giving more and more ideas, which is helping to make this product better. Sri Lakshmi and Aishwarya collaborating with much more teams and working at crucial times and helping this product shape much better. And Dinesh, Gauri, Satish K, who are all been more years with us, has helped this product to get into better shape for long years. And we have two more young people, Sundar and Venkat, who just joined this band, who just joined with us just before this situation, are also working hard and getting better shape with us.
Dinesh has been here for the past 8 years. He molded and shaped the product from its initial days. Gauri has been here with us for the past 5 years. As years passed, she has nurtured this product like her own offspring. Let us hear what she has to say about working in Zoho.
I still remember joining Zoho in late 2013. We are a team of 15 then. From then till now, it has been a tremendous growth both for our team and the organization. Zoho has always been a second home, and our team is like a family. With the current pandemic situation, there are a lot of things we miss. Even the trivial ones like going for tea, having lunch together, etc. I wish everyone and their families good health and peace.
Aishwarya Lakshmi is known for her sincerity and dedication towards work, be it big or small. A few words from her on how she is coping with the work from home situation and her gratitude towards Zoho.
Cares for its employees in a much better way than most other companies do. I think it was when the court cases rose around 63 or 64 in India. We were asked to leave office and start to work from home. We all moved to our hometowns. I think it's a timely decision from our organization which helped us to reach our hometown safely without facing much hurdles and without facing any rushes. So it's a pleasure to be a part of such an organization which puts its employee safety first. And coming to Zoho Commerce is always a fun team to work with, be it sharing knowledge, or be it sharing work, or be it sharing food, or be it caring for others. It's always fun to be with you all people.
Satish K, dearly called as SK, has been an integral part of this team for almost 8 years now and knows the product inside out. To him, Zoho is not just an organization he works for, but his own home. Meena Mitra is our fashion statement of the team. She goes extra miles to help her peers when it comes to work related support. She's the sweetest, isn't she? Let's hear from Meena about what makes her job so awesome.
What makes my job awesome is that I love what I do and I have the most friendly peers to be able to do it. They're always ready to help, which makes work hardly seem like work and is more of a learning environment. Every day is exciting with a new set of tasks that makes it challenging and makes me eager to look forward to the day. Our team is a team in every sense that it has people who motivate, inspire, encourage and support each other. So thank you team for making work a lot of fun and hope to see you all again soon.
Dearly called as SM by the team is a sweetheart. His love towards work gleams in his perfection. Let's hear what he has to say about the team.
My take on Zogo is, Zogo has a unique culture and I strongly believe that their culture and their desire to make employees satisfied has been the base of their overwhelming success. Take this COVID situation as an example. We were made to work from home way before the complete lockdown was announced. This shows their care towards the employees. But Zogo Commerce? So far it has been a great experience working on the product from scratch. And it's been a year now since the product has got launched, growing steadily and shows a great promise for the upcoming years.
Sundaresan is our new member. He joined after completing his degree from Zoho University. He will be a great asset to the organization and the team, we do not doubt that. Punita is a happy-go-lucky person in the team. Her tenacity and diligence towards work are mind-blowing. What do you have to share with your peers, Punita?
Hi everyone. I hope we all are enjoying the privilege of working from home for the first time. Actually, at first I was scared about collaboration with the team as we are in the remote. But after 3 months working, I realized that collaboration was made easy, and I think we are doing the same work that we did in office itself, and we're spending more time with family also. Thank you so much team. I hope this continues. Be safe and happy working.
Vigneshwaran is a silent hard worker and a perfectionist. He does a great job handling numbers and comes up with amazing tax related ideas. Let's hear from him.
Hello guys, it's been 3 years now at Zoho and Zoho Commerce and the journey has been amazing. We all know due to the current situation we are working in the native places, due to which even though we are all apart, we always stay connected as a Zoho Commerce team. So for that, thank you so much guys, thank you so much for all the helping, and thank you so much for making my journey with Zoho even more smoother. Thank you so much guys. Bye.
Venkataraju, this young chap is being molded by the seniors of the team. Let us hear what he has to say about the team.
Hi, it has been a fantastic experience for the past 3 to 4 months since I have launched Zoho. I have got a fabulous team. They have helped me a lot. I have not met everyone since I just came only to office, but they have helped me a lot whenever I met with issues or something happens. Thanks Zoho for giving me this opportunity to tag my techniques. Thank you.
Sri Lakshmi is a talented developer and a passionate coder. Her enthusiasm towards work speaks for itself. A few words from Sri Lakshmi about her journey in Zoho.
Hi everyone, I hope all are fine. First of all, I'd like to thank Zoho. In a way, as a company, take care of its employees even though in this pandemic. I'm really happy to be a part of this organization. I know that we are all working in a different situation as we are working from home. Even though at first we have faced some difficulties like getting internet connection, maintaining the team collaboration, and also getting adapted to this whole scenario of work from home. Now I'm really happy that we have successfully overcome it by interacting and helping each other online. Really thank you guys for that. And also I'm confident that we can able to connect and bond as a team in spite of the situation. I know that we will be missing our friend zones, daily chat, and also our company Zoho, but I believe sooner or later everything will be back to its place. Until then, take care guys, bye.
Arun Prasad Ravichandran, our product manager, keeps his spirit high all day and vibes with everyone in the team. He has frequent, close interactions with the developers and helps them align their thoughts towards the betterment of the product. A little chat with Arun will leave anyone filled with product development related ideas. Here are his words of appreciation for our developers.
What lies ahead is we have much more features coming up which are already present in our roadmap. and hopefully this road has no traffic jam, and we are working and marching towards a better product with respect to more features and enhancement. So thank you team, hope you all are fine and hope to see you soon.
Thanks again Megaminds for shaping our product to advanced levels, making our customers' lives better, and for being the pillar of the team. Today, as the sun sets, another day is gone. Our hearts are filled with a burning desire to achieve more, shining brighter than ever before. We as a team are grateful to the jobs we hold. We are grateful to the opportunity that we have in our hands. Also, we cannot wait to serve you better than ever. Until then, lots of love from Zoho Commerce.